Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It has been a while, and I also wanted to say I hope you had a good start to the new year. As you can tell by the video, I am going to be making the salmon rice bowl, since I thought it was easier for me to just make a longer YouTube video so you guys can follow through. To start off this dish, you're going to need some salmon. I actually buy my salmon from Asda. I've never really tried it from anywhere else, but considering Asda's local, this is where I get it from. You can season your fish however you like. I like to keep it extremely simple, so first I'll start off by seasoning it with some black pepper. After the black pepper, I then added some smoked paprika. So I normally add in chilli flakes as well, but I didn't have any. Next, sprinkle the fish in some dark soy sauce. And then after that, I sprinkled on some sliced garlic cloves. I wouldn't really say there is an exact type of recipe for this dish, to be honest. You know, it's kind of more go with the flow and use as much salmon as you want. Because yeah, it's all up to you really. You can allow your salmon to marinate, but I just simply cook it straight away. So in a fresh pan, which make sure is non-stick, I added some olive oil. Once the oil has heated up, add in your salmon and make sure the heat is on a medium to low. Since the salmon is cut into small dices, you only need to cook it for around 2 minutes on each side. So after the 2 minutes, you can actually see that the salmon is cooking on the side. You want to flip it over and leave the heat on a medium to low. If you want to cook it a bit more quicker, you can put it on a fuller heat, but it won't be cooked fully. But it depends how you like it really. After you flip the salmon, you only need around 2 to 3 minutes on a medium to low heat. So after flipping the salmon, I also then added in the garlic as well. I would have added it at the start, but then the first time I made it, I actually realised that it was burning way too quickly. So if you add it in at this time, it'll be perfect and soft. Just to be a bit extra, I then flipped over the salmon once more so all the edges are cooked evenly. So after a good 5 minutes of cooking the salmon, it's time to remove it from the pan. So for the next part of the dish, you are going to need some sushi rice. I also heard that you can use jasmine rice as well, but I've never used it before. So once I do try it, I will see how the texture is after making it. I can't really tell you how to make the sushi rice because you'll be able to see the instructions on the packet once you buy it. Speaking of rice, I have actually been asked a lot how I make my boiled rice, so I'm definitely going to be making a video very soon this month for you. If it's more easy for you, you can remove the skin before you fry, but I just prefer to fry the fish first and then take the skin off, because as you can see, it's just so much more easy and simple. Once your salmon and rice is done, it's then time to basically plate up your dish. So for the sauces, I'm using some sriracha. I'm also going to be adding some kewpie mayo. And to finish off, I'm also using some dark soy sauce. You can use light soy sauce if you'd like though. And the last thing you're going to need is some seaweed. You can also actually serve this with avocado as well, but I'm actually just not a fan of avocados at all. I'm just not a fan of the texture and how it tastes, to be honest. But anyway, this is literally how the dish looks. It's really simple, and the next part is you just mash it all together and eat it. But yeah, this is the final part of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to follow me on all of my socials, and there will be linked down below, and also there's a lot more videos that will be coming to YouTube very soon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in my next one.